Hi everyone, another day. Can't remember when I did the last unboxing actually, maybe Friday, and it's Wednesday, so 5 days and without a bag, which is pretty good going for a self-confessed addict. So this one I've opened, cut the box, I haven't actually got it out yet. So I've struggled to know what to collect. Collect's probably the wrong word because you can't collect Loungefly, there's too many, yeah. So if it was a theme, and I like a lot of different bags, so it was quite hard. I haven't really got to a point where I've decided. And then someone said to me, you'll know the bag you want when you see it. And that's what happened with this one. This one's quite special to me. Before kids, I was an advanced open water diver. I am a fish geek. I own lots of fish identification books. And yeah, so fish themed, you might know where this is going already. So let's have a look. Done. There's no stuff in. Can't do the stuff in. Soz. Yeah, I already like it. I really do like this one. I hope you're going to like this too. I'm not going to sing for you. I really want to sing, but I'm not going to sing. There you see her. Oh, we may have a child join in. Yeah, this is me. This is actually making my heart jump a little bit because this is absolutely beautiful. So let's have a look. So this is my little mermaid. This is definitely me. I'm already struggling though with whether I want to wear this or keep it nice. And I have got the purse as well, so I'm going to do that one separately. Little flounder, no Ariel actually on this one. Thought that was quite interesting. This is actually all about the underwater, and that's me. So I actually feel a bit emotional. I'm hide a little bit behind my bag. This reminds me of a lot of really happy times, and yeah, I'm a little bit lost for words actually. I suppose that's a good thing. Oh, didn't do the, let's have a look at the inside. Didn't do that, that was very silly. So we have like little starfish. That's pretty. So we're going to do, I've actually got another bag to do, and I know what that one is, but I've not seen one properly. So I'm not sure whether to do the purse or that next, we'll see. So see you soon.